Okay, this is our train layout. We have Ellie here running the Polar Express. The first four-room setup. We have it going from the family room through the foyer. Ellie's our conductor here. Okay, so around into the dining room. There it goes. Out of the dining room and approaching the kitchen station. Back into the kitchen. And it's going back into the family room. So for the Rapp family, that's our train layout for the year, along with our tree and our monorail, which goes around the television.
I'll run the monorail.
And that's okay, Ellie. And our other little Christmas train that goes around the tree. That's it, folks.